In this video, I'll break down whether ClearSecure, the company behind ClearID, is a good buy right now. If you're watching this, you're probably wondering, should you invest in Clear stock? Let's take a look. First, what does ClearSecure do? They use biometric ID technology to speed up security at airports, stadiums, and even offices. You've probably seen their kiosks at major U.S. airports. The big question is this a smart investment? Let's start with the positives. They're expanding beyond airports into areas like healthcare and corporate security. That's a much bigger market. And with travel bouncing back post-pandemic, more people are using their services again. Also, their membership base is growing and customer retention is strong. Once someone uses Clear, they tend to stick around. Now, the not-so-good parts. Clear has been burning through cash and isn't profitable yet. That's a red flag for some investors, especially in a tighter market. Their growth depends heavily on airport contracts and adoption in new industries, both of which can be slow-moving and competitive. Also, concerns about privacy and regulation could affect how fast they scale. So who should consider buying? If you believe in long-term adoption of biometric tech and identity verification, Clear might have upside. But if you're looking for stability or income, there are safer bets out there. As always, do your own research and decide based on your risk tolerance. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick stock breakdowns. See you next time.